Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Start Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, I'm going to talk about three stocks that I'm thinking to buy in March. If this is your first time to Rich Start Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and how to be a real estate agent. So, if you want to make more money and succeed in life, so make sure you can subscribe our channel so that you do not miss any of our videos. And at the end of the videos, you can get free stocks and audiobooks in the link in the description and comment. So today's topic is I'm going to talk about three stocks that I may be buying in March and what are the potential rewards and why I am thinking about buying them and also potential risks in my opinions. So March 5th, look at this. All the S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq is all green, all positive, 1.95%. Dow Jones is 1.85%, Nasdaq 1.55%. Russell, also the crude oil too, but gold, silver they are down, and U.S. dollar appreciates against Europe and also against British pound. A 10-year bond yield also rose a little bit as well. USD also appreciates against Japanese yen as well. So Bitcoin is down. Other cryptos are up. And London Stock Exchange is down. Japanese Stock Exchange is down. So that's a snapshot of the market. So why are these US stock markets up? So it's because Janet Yellen said higher treasury yields signal recovery, not inflation. Remember in the previous video I talked about higher treasury yields and interest is not supposed to be fear. It's supposed to, and we are supposed to be happy about it because it shows that the economies are getting better. The market is expecting that economies are getting better in future, in the next 6 months to a year. So Janet Yellen talked about it, something about it, and in the previous video I talked about it. There are three things that can stop the stock markets from going down, and one of them is that if the Federal Reserve or Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said something that's gonna make the market happy, then the stock market is gonna stop going down and it could go back higher. So maybe she saw my videos, So she saw my videos on March 4. The reason is also she made a comment. So if you want to know more about that video, you can go ahead and watch it. And so today we're gonna talk about stock number 3. So this stock has a slogan called "So You Can." So do you know what that stock is? If you know, comment down below. So this is the guy who founded this company. It's been a long time. This company is one of the biggest company in US, and his name is John Pierpont Morgan. Have you already got a link? Have you already got a hint? J.P. Morgan. Yes, that's J.P. Morgan Chase and Company. So this stock was only 125.87 at the beginning of the year. And so I bought it around December 2nd, on 122.04, and that dividend yield is 2.29%, and 52-week low is 76.91. So if you save money in JP Morgan Chase, they're gonna pay you only 0.01%. But if you buy their stocks, they are paying you 2.29% dividend yield. What a big difference! It's a very, very big difference. So you know what? Will you put your money into their savings and let them make money off your money, or will you just buy their stocks and collect the money and also enjoy the capital appreciation? So remember, how does the bank make money? They use your money, they borrow money from you at a very low interest rate, and they lend the money to the companies and businesses at a higher interest rate, also the mortgage, the home buyers as well. So that's how they make money. So market cap is 460 billion. This is a very, very big company. They're one of the largest banks in the US. So why am I thinking about buying this stock? So this is one of my favorite financial stocks. Personally, I don't like financial stocks because over the long run, that their stocks don't go up as much as the other stocks like technology, healthcare, or consumer discretionary, or consumer staples, and other utilities company. But I only bought this stock, on 121.45%. So within 3 months, and I made 24.26% return. That's pretty good. And in the future, I expect the interest rate to go up. It could be 1 year, it could be 2 years, it could be 3 years. Nobody knows that the interest is gonna go up. I'm thinking it will be later end of the 2022 or maybe 2023. So the interest rate gonna go up, meaning that the Federal Reserve could raise the interest rate next year. But the market interest rate can go up anytime. Remember, interest rates are also a, a portion of supply and demand. So when the demand is high, when the supply is low, then nobody wants to buy the bond. The bonds, they need to increase their interest rate to attract the buyers. So in that way, the interest is gonna go up. So banks usually make more money when the interest rate go up. So that's why I want to buy JP Morgan, more financial stock as well. So, and what are the risks? Banks usually do not perform well over time. If you hold technology stock or the bank financial stock, for over 5 years, 10 years period, usually the technology stock perform much better, even though it can go down a lot more, even though the technology is more volatile than financial stock. And the banks, they can become outdated in future if they don't adapt well. So if you already know that a lot of people are moving into cryptocurrency and digital currency, if the banks do not accommodate these customers, they're gonna take their business to somewhere else. And also there are other unknown risks as well. So it will be so interesting to see what the banking industry gonna transform in the next 5 to 10 years. So guess star number two. Students usually hang out there to get free Wi-Fi, and couples usually go here for the first date. So what could that be? So their mission is to inspire, nurture the human spirit, one person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time. That's interesting mission. So one cup, the hint is one cup. So if you know it, comment down below. This is the logo of this company. You should already know by now. It's Starbucks. It's Starbucks company. Stock number two. So the Starbucks was only 103.10 at the beginning of the year. Now it's 105.20, and so it's interesting that I bought this stock on August 26, 2020. They pay dividend yields about 1.71%, and 52-week low is $50, and the market cap is only 123 billion. So the JP Morgan is 4 times bigger than Starbucks. So why do I buy Starbucks? It's one of the most recognizable brands for coffee. How many names can you think of if somebody asks you for coffee shops? I'm sure that 99% of you gonna say Starbucks at the beginning. So Starbucks is expanding globally, and I believe, in my opinions, it's not going away anywhere soon. So I got Starbucks in two portfolio, 83 and 72.63. So it's pretty nice. It's been only about 6 months. So the return is pretty great so far in my dividend portfolio. So what are the risks? Rising cost of coffee. It can be sugar, it can be milk, or other ingredients, and other competitors becoming global brands as well. And there's of course always other unknown risks. So Starbucks has been around for some time, so they got really decent returns, and they also pay dividend as well. So I like it. So for my dividend portfolios, so guess stock number one. So it has the slogans of past meets present, and also gotta have it. So what is this stock? This is a logo for this stock, and it's Food Locker. It's Food Locker, and Food Locker was only $39 at the beginning of January 4th. So 52-week low is 70.46, and I bought it on August 25th. It was only 29.66 USD at the time, and I added to my position over time. So what I'm trying to say is that you do not have to cash at the bottom to make money. In stock markets, never try to time the market. Never try to catch the bottom, or never try to catch the top. You just it's better to focus your energy and your time on choosing the right company and great companies, then try to time the market. And they pay 1.5 for dividend, and they are going to raise the dividend also too. So there's one year low is 70.46. Their market cap is only 5.43 billion, so it's much smaller company than Starbucks and JP Morgan. But I believe this company can maybe double or double or triple our money. And because look at Nike. Nike is about 134 billion companies, so it's 4 times more than this company. A lot more. Maybe a lot more than this company. It's about 20 or 30 times this company. So do you think this company could double? Yeah, I absolutely think so. You don't have to believe the same way as I do, but I absolutely believe this company could double from 5 billion to 10 billion over time if they execute well. So why do I buy this company, and why I'm thinking about buying it more? Because economies are reopening, and stimulus check number 3 is also coming soon. When people get the check, when will they spend money? They will pay for rent, they will pay for some of the food. But if some people gonna have money, they have their own savings. If they have it, where do they spend? They're gonna buy stuff. They're gonna buy apparel. They're gonna buy shoes. Where would they go? Food Locker. They will go to a shopping mall, or they will also go online to buy. And Food Locker is investing in online digital infrastructure. Streaming, they are trying to streamline their global supply chain, so they're gonna cut costs. It's gonna be really great. So I like it. I like that they are investing in digital infrastructure as well. So that's why I'm investing in Food Locker. And what are the risks? Mall-based stores. They don't. I don't see them focusing so much on mall-based stores anymore. They are focusing on digital infrastructure. And it will be interesting to see management capability to transition to online really fast. And also the cost of supply materials. And if this goes up, the consumer not gonna buy. And of course there are other unknown risks. So I would really focus the management capabilities to transition to online first, because we cannot rely on the mall-based stores anymore, especially with the recent pandemic. And also people's taste in shopping. Shoppers, they are going online right now. All investment have risk. You invest only what you can afford to lose. This video and channel is only for information and entertainment purposes only, not an investment advice to buy or sell any stock. Do your research before buying or selling any security. And you don't need to have hundreds of thousands to start making money. I started with $10 per day, a few hundreds, a few thousand. Then I started building my portfolio to reach this a few hundred thousand right now. So you don't need to have 100,000, so you can start right now. And if you're interested to know more about what I buy, what I sell, you can join Patreons. Gold Patreons gonna include dividend stocks as well. Trading is gonna include dividend stocks. Trading is for day trade, swing trade, momentum trade. And Palladium Patreons gonna have everything including dividends, growth stock, and trading stock as well. You're gonna save $16 per month by joining this. So links are gonna be in the description. You can get free audiobooks and free stocks. Link in the description, comment below, and you can become a real estate agent. And if you pay more than $15 a month for your cell phone plan, you pay too much. I only pay $15 a month for my cell phone. So if you want to reach out to me, you can comment down below and reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.